Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for once again love and support. Please continue to do so. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about and share my thoughts on everyone needs a feedback. Yes. Yes, you heard it right. Everyone needs a feedback. For me and my experience, one of your most critical roles as a project manager, can you guess? It is just to lead and motivate your team. Do you agree with me? At the same time, you must focus on assisting your team members in achieving their goals. They need a support from you a lot. Ensure that they are very well cared about, their contributions are appreciated, and the communication and relations are also very strong enough. Building relationships and gaining the trust of your team members require a lot of patience, openness, trust, as well as you got to have some more time to have a regular one-to-one discussions with them. These discussions or sessions will help them to coach and support team members, and then you provide and receive the feedback from them. You need to play as a coach and understand and discuss with them on one-to-one basis. If people are to perform at their best, they must understand what they are doing well and where they may improve. Everyone requires feedback, isn't it? Particularly some of the team members who are inexperienced, or maybe they are new to the project or new to the company. So team members who are experienced and performing well, also they need to be appreciated. They also need a feedback. So it's your responsibility as a project manager to provide a feedback. It's all about making better on day in day out basis, get better at ourselves. If a feedback is to be useful, it must be given objectively or constructively. Otherwise, people will ignore and they misinterpret. So remove all your emotion from the equation and make it as so clean and precise as possible. And this is very particularly true if you are going to make apparently any negative statements, it's going to hurt them. So don't obsess over your flaws or limitations. So always assume that the people are doing the best they can with the resources what they have. Concentrate on the road forward and encourage others to follow your line. Because you know what? Everyone responds to feedback in a differently. Think about how you're presenting your topic or a message or your discussions on one-to-one. If you want the team member to feel good about making a change, make sure that you say properly and create that desired effect. And one more important thing, you should be very careful about your body language, tone of speech, your facial emotions. These all matters. Consider what you want to say, how you wanted to make an impression to your team member, and make sure your body language reflects that. Understand one more thing, it's very, very critical to keep in mind that either giving or receiving a feedback is a two-way street. Who's climbed to that, the team member with your conversation, you need to tell them, don't tell them you have done a bad job, right? It's always area to improve a lot. So it's possible that your guidance and support, very, very well needed, right? So make them and discuss with them in the open mind and pay a close attention to all the team members' opinions and listen to them without interpreting. So if you believe that a team member has made a genuine error or they wanted to improve in any way, so be transparent as possible. Understand the situation. Why did they say or why did they express their opinion in such a way? Understand what is the specific examples of the behaviors you are worried about. If you are want to be more precise, your feedback will be more accurate and informative. So always as a project manager, give accurate and constructive criticism and be specific as possible and provide some of the examples and don't ever criticize. Instead, you concentrate on the what next steps are. Always solicit a feedback to encourage an open discussion. Trust them and be honest with them and listen without interpreting. I think this is how you can really focus and make the team better and play them, and they are very strong enough to increase their confidence and be part of a bigger game. Just to conclude my thoughts around this, yes, when a team member does well, as a project manager, you must deliver a good feedback, encourage them. After all, everyone wants to feel important, respected, and appreciated, isn't it? It's an individual nature and behavior. And it's easy to lose sight of the simple elements that can make a big difference and boost morale when tasks get busy. So understand one more thing. Please make it a habit to express your genuine gratitude on your regular basis. They feel very important what you say. Let your team members know when they have done a terrific job. And they may never understand you have observed and appreciated their efforts if you don't tell them they are doing a good job. Right? So in the future, they may begin to doubt themselves. It's not a good sign. People like to feel accomplished, like they are contributing and they are making a difference. Yes, everyone needs a feedback. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for your time. Thanks for listening, and thank you.